Hey, what's up guys? So you have a Samsung Smart TV and you have an issue where under picture in your settings, the picture size settings is grayed out. I'm going to show you how to fix that, okay? Very simple. Basically the why it's grayed out is because you may have an app that's open in the background. Like I have Netflix open. So just to make it easier for everybody, I want you to do this. Go ahead and just grab your remote and then just go ahead and just tap on the source button or input button on your remote. So just tap on that. And then what we're going to do is just go ahead and go up, and just go to Samsung TV Plus if you have that. Just open that up. Okay, so now there's nothing here. Now go ahead and go back into your home and go into the settings. So go down, and you can see I'm in the very bottom here. So go left, 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 and go back to your settings icon. Click on enter, and now you can see the picture size setting is no longer grayed out. And you can go in there. Then you can do a custom or leave it at the standard 16 by 9 or do a 4 by 3. So pretty simple. All right. Hope that helped you guys out. Good luck.